The scariest bird sounds in the world. What?
Showbill.
All right, we got Showbill. What is he? Yo, huh? Is that a bird or a machine gun? What is that? That's a gosh darn dinosaur. What's up, Loon? Oh, no way, bro. I would be terrified if I was out like in the lake or a swamp and I heard that. Nah.
Bellbird.
White bellbird? Dude, what is that? That's like a gosh darn siren. Like, you know, like siren heads from Fallout? That's what that is. Horn screamer. Hello, buddy. No, that's like some Resident Evil. What? I would be terrified.